Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw Shark Puppet. Now to start off with Shark Puppet, we're going to begin with the top of his head. So I'm going to start over here and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. So I'm going to start right here and it's just going to curve up like this. Then, starting here, I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down just a little bit. Now up here, we're going to add his shark fin. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to add a line that goes up with a curve. And then it's just going to come back down here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves in. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then it's just going to come out like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that curves up for the bottom of his chin. And I'm going to bring this up a little higher. And then right here, I'm going to add 1 and 2 little bumps for kind of like some wrinkles. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and connects both of those. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves back to about here. So I'm just going to draw a line and it's just going to curve back to here. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes up and it's going to come back. And that's just going to be for like his gums. Now for the teeth, you just want to add a few little V shapes on the top. I'll put about 3. And then I'll put a couple down here at the bottom, like little triangle shapes. Now right here, I'm going to add a little black dot for an oval. And right here, I'm going to draw his eye. So I'm just going to make a little circle shape. I'm going to add a smaller circle inside of here, and then I'm just going to color this part in. Over here, you want to make about 3 little curved lines, and these are going to be the gills for a shark puppet. And right over here, I want to draw the hand that is inside of Shark Puppet. So I'm just going to draw a line here, and then another line right over here. And then over here, let's draw some cheese for him to be trying to get. So to do this, I'm going to make a little line that goes out here. Then you want to draw a line that goes down. And then we're going to connect these two, so it's like a triangle shape. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. 1 right here, and then 1 right here. And then we just want to connect these. I'm going to make the line a little bit curved. And on top of here, I'm going to add some little circle shapes just to make this cheese look a little bit more realistic. And I'm going to add, some are just going to be full circles, some will be half circles. And there you go, there is your drawing of Shark Puppet. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.